Hey guys, welcome to a Minecraft tutorial, and this is how to create a server. Now, today we're using hamachi because I don't want to deal with all the port forwarding stuff. That's just too hard for me, so I'm just going to be using hamachi today. To download hamachi, what you're going to do is you can Google it. Yep, see it's already there, hamachi Mac. And you go to the web page that you choose and download it. Once you have that, you can create your own server, or you can join an existing one. If I go to network up here, I can create or join. If you're going to be joining a friend server, I'd recommend pressing join an existing network rather than creating a new one. If you're going to host your own server on the same computer that you're going to be playing on, I'd recommend pressing create a new network. You can call that whatever you like, it doesn't really matter. But first off, you're going to need the server software. So what you're going to go minecraft.net. You're going to have to have bought the game. Press download. Then you download this thing here. I'm just going to create, I've already downloaded it before, but for the purpose of this tutorial, why did I drag it there? For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just gonna drag it to my desktop. Don't worry about that. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna create a new folder for your server. Drag this into it. Just double click on it. Then this will come up. Just run this for the first time, and then we've got to fix these warning problems like not enough RAM and everything. So when that spawn area gets to 100%, okay, now you can close this. And in our folder that we made, you will notice that we have all these files now. So what we're going to do, we're going to open up a terminal, new one. We're going to copy the code from that website. So you only need the first part up to that -jar because the Minecraft server.jar doesn't work. So you just paste it, and then you're going to want to go back to your folder where your server is, and make sure you've closed your .jar file, the Minecraft server.jar file, before you do this. Make sure you leave a space there, and then drag this in. Then you're going to hit enter, and then this will come up. If you don't leave a space, it will not work. And then now we have this loading properties, starting server on. That's the port number. Sorry guys. So now that that's done, you can close that. I don't know, you can leave terminal open or you can close it. I'm just gonna close it. And now we're gonna edit our server properties. It doesn't wanna open. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. Oops. Open, you want to go choose application, and then you want to just open it up in text edit or whatever. There you go. Open. You're going to see this. If you can change your world name to whatever you want, you can change it to your name. I don't know. Example. You can spawn. You have monster options. True, false is pretty much yes or no. False is no. True is yes. And if you want to create a cracked hamachi server, just change that to false, so people without premium accounts can still join it. I'm just going to create it using the false online mode because it seems to be easier because my friends all have cracked versions. And for the server IP, what you want to do is you want to open up your hamachi. You want to enter that IP there, 5.236. So when you create it, so you don't have to leave a space, just type it in. So that is saved. Now you just want to go File, Save, and now you can go into your Minecraft.jar. You can double click it. If it still says the warning not enough RAM, you have to launch it with that terminal open, which I closed because I'm stupid. So I'm gonna have to type that again. Again, make sure you close that Minecraft server.jar before you drag it in. And then now this will come up. Prepare the spawn area. You can minimize that. You can launch it with no GUI by typing no GUI at the end. The server name is, not the server name, the world name is example, that's what's there. That'll come up. So now that you have that open and you have your IP, you can go into your Minecraft. By the way guys, I just got premium user yesterday night, so I'm pretty stoked. If anyone wants to join a server or request me to join a server, just personal message me. I don't believe I transfer my save files into this Minecraft, but wait for it to load. Okay, multiplayer. You want to match that IP that's there. So that one I have now is actually another IP for a server I created on another computer, so I wouldn't lag on this one. 236.15.81. Just want to go and hit connect, and if all goes well it should log in. Obviously it's going to be a bit slow because you're running the server on the same computer that you're running Minecraft on, so I wouldn't recommend it. And it says Joel for President 96 logged in with, that'll come up, that ID thing, that'll come up if it's a cracked server. That's why it says that. Oops. Yep, it's going to be extremely laggy. If you ever spawn and you find yourself falling into a hole, just press T and then it should register that you're on the server and we'll fix that. So this world seems to be an ice world. By the way, you can change the world seed in the properties, the server properties. If you just go into your folder that you made, you open that server properties.file, server.properties file. You see how it says level seed? You can type in, I'm just going to type in home because I know that's a really good seed. I really like it because it gives you this waterfall that you can dig in behind and make a home. Just really cool. So I saved it. Now I'm just going to go back into my Minecraft. Press disconnect, multiplayer. The same IP is on your hamachi. Connect, and it should have changed the seed. I think it has to be like straight before you create it, because now my Minecraft server says that that'll say can't keep up because I'm playing Minecraft on the same computer as my server and I don't have enough RAM. But I don't know why the seed didn't show up. It's probably because when you first create your server, you probably got to enter it then before you actually go onto it with Minecraft, otherwise it'll save this seed in its place. Die. Okay, so it's all functional. It's good. Now you just give your friends the same IP as there, and you can tell them to join the network. You can see that MBL, whatever it is, that's my computer that's running the other server that I had. So I don't need this server, but I made it for the purpose of this tutorial, and I hope it helped you. Okay, see you later, guys.